Darren Huff here for another Tech Tuesday. And this week I wanted to talk to you about the minimum radius requirement and why we have it. First and foremost, this really only applies to installations where you're using either the metal fixing strips or if you're taking our membrane and cutting 2 or 3 castellations and using that for the spacing. That's where the minimum radius really comes in. Minimum radius, when you do that, is 1 inch at minimum. So in other words, don't kink the wire. The larger the radius, the better and safer that installation is going to be. If you go tighter than 1 inch, what's going to happen is you may end up kinking it and damaging the insulation around the heating cable itself. Even on the inside, that won't be noticeable. And you could bleed to ground or have issues down the road with your heating system. So the maximum is 1 inch. Now, all the other products, our membrane loose wire system, our sticky mat system, our foil system, and our InScreed, all of that has requirements for the spacing, either how you're going to put it in the membrane or the other mat products that are already pre-spaced for you. So you don't have to worry about that 1 inch. But again, if you're using fixing strips or the membrane strips, minimum is 1 inch. That's this week Tech Tuesday. I'm Darren Huff. Till next week, keep walking on sunshine.